Hi folks, Fred.Zent here, Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Lance 825. Come on in and I'll show you this nice little small camper. Right here you have an outside awning that comes out. You have outside speakers. When you come around the back side here, you have an awning here, an outside camera. There's also a rack on the roof if you want to put like a kayak. Got your ladder, full walk-on roof. Come on in. This particular unit has a wet bath. Then you got your U-shaped dinette that also will fold down into a bed. And then above you have an optional bunk. Up here's your bed. Got a little TV, little storage above that window there. Your refrigerator. Got your microwave. 2-burner stove. And a couple full extending drawers. Got your AM/FM CD player. Also is Bluetooth capable with a DVD player. Guys, if you want more information on this 2019 Lance 825, give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent. The number is 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.